this one was more or less okay. Doesn't quite fit here, doesn't quite fit here or over here. So I might just take a couple saw curves here and take that out. And then the rest should be okay. This one, on the other hand, just blew apart on me in the planer, which is fine. I had all of the pressure going down onto here, so it makes sense that it would have just snapped there. What I'm going to do is just rip this strip of walnut out completely, because that isn't needed, and I'll do a cleanup pass along this side as well. And then throw them back in the, clamps, for, well, do all three of them again. Or all two of them, but there's 3 pieces. So, yeah, fun stuff.